Hi, I'm Kevin Collins with Alair Homes Clemson. What we're going to do today is just talk about something little that we do to our houses. You typically probably will not see this on another house, but it's just something we like to do. Here in the South, we're on Lake Huey in upstate South Carolina. We have ladybugs, stink bugs, things like that. And sometimes these ladybugs, stink bugs, and things like that will crawl up in there and get in there. They don't really infiltrate into the house because it's sealed up, but they get in behind the siding. So it's really cheap. It's like $150 a house. But what we do is we take this, it's a fiberglass screen, and we basically take it and put it on the sill plate, and we caulk it down because we're caulking our sill plates down. And we basically, some of the guys come in to do the siding, they'll just roll this up here like this. They'll put their baseboard across the bottom or whatever siding material we're using, and the screen creates that barrier. So just another thing we do. Alair Homes Clemson.